Buying a home in Florida can look straightforward when you focus on the listing price, mortgage payment, and amount of money needed for the down payment. But the real cost of home ownership can be much higher once insurance, property taxes, flood exposure, maintenance, HOA fees, utilities, repairs, and storm-related expenses enter the picture. In 2026, understanding these hidden costs is more important than ever because Florida buyers are navigating a housing market where affordability depends on far more than the price printed on a real estate listing. Today we will talk about before you buy, the hidden costs Florida homeowners are facing. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Homeowners insurance. Insurance is one of the biggest expenses Florida buyers need to investigate before purchasing. Hurricane exposure, wind damage, roof age, construction type, claims history, location, and mitigation features can all influence premiums. While there has been encouraging movement in Florida's insurance market, buyers should not assume that insurance will automatically be inexpensive. Citizens Property Insurance Corporation reported that approved 2026 rates produce an average 8.8% decrease for homeowners' multi-peril policies statewide, with the changes applying to new policies and renewals beginning July 1, 2026. However, individual premiums vary according to property characteristics and location. The important lesson is to obtain an actual insurance quote before committing to a purchase. A house that appears affordable based on the mortgage alone can become substantially more expensive once the insurance premium is included in the monthly budget. Flood insurance. Another expense that buyers can overlook is flood insurance. Standard homeowners insurance generally does not provide the same coverage as a dedicated flood policy. A property's flood exposure should therefore be investigated separately, particularly in areas affected by heavy rainfall, coastal storms, drainage issues, canals, rivers, or low-lying terrain. Even when flood insurance is not immediately required by a lender, buyers should consider whether the financial risk makes coverage worthwhile. Checking flood maps, elevation information, previous flooding history, drainage conditions, and the property's location relative to waterways can provide a much clearer picture of potential risk. Property taxes. Property taxes are another major component of the real cost of ownership. Florida homeowners may qualify for valuable tax benefits, including the homestead exemption and Save Our Homes assessment limitation. The Florida Department of Revenue states that the homestead exemption can reduce taxable value by as much as $50,000 for eligible homeowners. However, buyers should be careful when looking at the seller's current tax bill. A new purchase can result in a reassessment, meaning the buyer's future tax obligation may differ significantly from the seller's existing bill. This is why prospective homeowners should estimate taxes based on the likely post-purchase assessment rather than simply assuming the current tax amount will remain unchanged. For 2026, Florida's Save Our Homes assessment limitation is 2.7%, provided the property qualifies and the statutory requirements are met. HOA and community fees. A home advertised at an attractive price may also come with homeowners association fees. These costs can cover community landscaping, amenities, common area maintenance, security features, recreation facilities, or other services. The concern is not simply the monthly amount. Buyers should examine the association's financial health, rules, reserve funds, insurance arrangements, recent meeting minutes, pending projects, and history of special assessments. A relatively low monthly HOA payment does not necessarily mean the community has low future costs. For condominium buyers, this issue can become even more important because associations may face substantial expenses associated with structural maintenance and reserves. Special assessments. Special assessments can be among the most unpleasant surprises for Florida property owners. An association may need additional money for major repairs, insurance expenses, structural work, roofs, painting, paving, elevators, seawalls, or other projects. Florida's condominium regulations have placed increased emphasis on structural inspections and reserve planning. State law requires milestone inspections for qualifying condominium and cooperative buildings, generally beginning when covered buildings reach 30 years of age and recurring every 10 years thereafter. Florida law also requires structural integrity reserve studies for qualifying residential condominium buildings 3 stories or higher, with requirements concerning items such as roofs and structural components. That means condo buyers should review inspection reports, reserve studies, budgets, association meeting records, and assessments before purchasing. Roof and storm maintenance. Florida's weather creates another category of ownership expenses. Intense heat, humidity, heavy rainfall, tropical storms, and hurricanes can accelerate wear on roofs, exterior finishes, windows, doors, landscaping, and drainage systems. A roof that looks acceptable during a showing could still be approaching the end of its useful life. Buyers should ask about installation dates, permits, repairs, warranties, inspections, and wind mitigation features. Air conditioning costs. Air conditioning is not an optional luxury in Florida. It is a central part of everyday living, which means HVAC maintenance and replacement should be included in the ownership budget. An aging air conditioning system can lead to higher electricity bills, repeated repair expenses, and eventually a major replacement cost. Before buying, homeowners should determine the system's age, maintenance history, efficiency rating, warranty status, and remaining expected service life. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.